Hello everyone, in front of me is ZTE Blade A71, and let me show you how to add a fingerprint to this device. At first, reach Settings, then find and select Password and Security, and here click on Fingerprint. Now go to Fingerprint Management, provide your screen lock password if you have one, and tap on Register. So now you just have to place your fingerprint on the sensor. The sensor is just the same tap as your power button, so just keep tapping till your fingerprint is fully added. Here you can observe the progress. Keep tapping. And that's it. Tap on OK. And as you can see, from now on you can unlock your device with this fingerprint only. Okay, let me. Here it is. Okay, so one more time. You can do it just like this, or you can use the backup pattern that you have. So that's it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.